How to log into your Target credit card account online. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser and simply searching for Target credit card account online. That is Target credit card login. Just tap on the first link which appears over here. So it will basically take you to the homepage of the or the login page of the official website of target.com, and once you tap on sign in, you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, I've already clicked on login, so it's automatically redirected me to this page where you can easily enter your registered email address or phone number and simply click on continue. If you have a pass key, you can also provide one, and from over here just enter your registered password and simply click on sign in with your password. And so if you ever forget your password, you can just tap on this forget password button to successfully reset your password. You can also sign in with passkey, and if you ever forget that as well, you can easily create a new one, or if you haven't one, you can just read about it from over here, which is the link provided from over here. So once you do all of that, just tap on the sign in with password if you have created a new password, and you should be successfully logged into your Target credit card account online. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.